Hello kids, welcome back to our EVS class. So today we are going to start a new lesson called Our Country and Our State. But before starting that, we need to revise the lesson that we learned in our previous year. आपने पिछले साल जो कंट्री के बारे में पढ़ा है उसको आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे. And in next class we will learn more about our country and our state. Today we will just revise whatever we have learned in last year. Okay, shall we start?
The lesson is about our country. The lesson is about our country. Our country name is India. Our country name is India. हमारे देश का नाम क्या है? India. So before learning this lesson, we will read it once. So I will read it, you need to repeat after me. Open page number 156. So see here, we are proud citizens of this beautiful country, India. This is the map of India. India became a free country in 1947. Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also called Chacha Nehru because he was very fond of children. He also loved roses. Do you know who is called the father of the nation? Yes, it is Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji as we all call him. We all know our national flag, don't we? Here is our national flag. Our national flag has three colors: saffron on the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. There is a blue wheel with 24 spokes in the center of the white band. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. So kids, see here, we are proud citizens of which country? We are proud citizens of a beautiful country called India. हम इस बहुत ही सुंदर से देश के वासी हैं. सिटीजन्स मीन्स रहीवासी. सो हमारे कंट्री का नाम क्या है? इंडिया. वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट हिंदुस्तान, भारत. सो दिस रेड डॉट यू सी हियर इज दिल्ली. दिस इज दिल्ली. न्यू दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ आवर कंट्री. And see here, India became a free country in 1947. Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also called Chacha Nehru because he was very fond of children. He also loved roses. India became a free country in 1947. India became a free country in 1947. 1947 में इंडिया एक free country बना. But free from what? India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947, and that is why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. हम स्वतंत्रता दिन कब मनाते हैं? 15th of August on every year. हर साल 15 अगस्त को हम Independence Day मनाते हैं. क्यों? Because India became a free country on that day in 1947. Always remember this. This is very important. Who was our first Prime Minister? Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Our first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also called as Chacha Nehru because he was very fond of children. He also loved roses, as you can see here. He also loved roses. हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थे? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. उन्हें सब लोग प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते थे बिकॉज उन्हें बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे. दैट्स वाई वी सेलिब्रेट चिल्ड्रंस डे ऑन 14th of November on the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He also loved roses. Do you know who is called the father of the nation? Yes, it is Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji as we all call him. Who is the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji as we call him. Kids, can you tell me when do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Can you tell me? Do you remember? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd of October every year. India has a large population. People in India follow different religions. इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. पॉपुलेशन मीन्स बहुत सारी जनसंख्या है. सो पीपल इन इंडिया फॉलो डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स. अलग अलग प्रकार के लोग अलग अलग धर्म को बिलोंग करते हैं. एंड people of different religions celebrate different festivals, and that's why we get to celebrate so many interesting and nice festivals. इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके अलग अलग धर्म हैं और अलग अलग धर्म के लोग अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं. एंड इसीलिए हम बहुत लकी हैं कि हमें अलग अलग तरह के भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के फेस्टिवल्स त्यौहार मनाने मिलते हैं. So kids, we all know our national flag, don't we? Yes, we do know. हम अपने तिरंगे को सब लोग जानते हैं, right? So here is our national flag. Our national flag has 3 colors: saffron on the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. हमारे तिरंगे में, हमारे national flag में कितने colors हैं? 3. That is saffron on the top, white in the middle, and green at the top. हमारे तिरंगे में, हमारे फ्लैग में जो ऊपर वाला कलर है वो कौन सा है? सैफरन, केसरी कलर ऑन द टॉप. बीच वाला कलर जो है सफ़ेद है, वाइट इन द मिडल, एंड ग्रीन एट द बॉटम. ग्रीन मीन्स हरा कलर. सो हमारे तिरंगे में कौन कौन से कलर हैं? सैफरन, white and green. So as you can see, there is a blue wheel with 24 spokes in the center of the white band. जो white band है middle में, उसमें आप एक blue wheel देख सकते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं अशोका चक्रा. We call it अशोका चक्रा, and it has 24 spokes in the center of the white band. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes in the center. So now kids, can you tell me which is our national animal? हमारा national animal कौन सा है? Tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. I hope you have understood this lesson. So kids, read this lesson very carefully because this is a very important lesson, okay? So there are still many more things to learn about our country, but we will learn that in our next standard. But for now, this much is enough. So we will recall it once again. See here, we are citizen of our beautiful country called India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August of every year. India became a free country in 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is also called as Chacha Nehru because he was very fond of children. So who is the father of the nation? Bapuji, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi ji. We celebrate his Jayanti on when? 2nd of October. This is our national flag. It has 3 colors: saffron, white and green, and it also has a blue chakra, a blue wheel with 24 spokes in the center of the white band. It is called as Ashoka Chakra. So our national flower is lotus, national bird is peacock, and national animal is tiger. So kids, this is about our lesson called about our country, India. So I hope you will study it well and take care. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care.